Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, for the sake of science, we are going to be playing with glitter. Now I say the sake of science, there really is no science involved, it's just because I want to play with glitter. Also, can I address the elephant in the room? Holy shit. Now I was going to join them up. I was going to put circles around them and put them, like give them a nose and a mouth, and I was going to make it into a face. But I mean, I'm already a bit of an idiot. I don't want to make myself look like a super idiot. So I thought I'd just turn my head slightly this way so you can't see them. Oh, look what I've been doing in the background. Right, anyway, so today's video is glitter. They're so big. Right, today's video is glitter. Oh my God, look at all those fizzy pop cans. I would just like to add they are sugar-free. I don't have added sugar in my fizzy pop. Not that that makes it okay. In fact, I think sometimes non-fizzy pop, non-sugared fizzy pop. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Right. I'm going to be playing with glitter. I've got a few out that I think are going to look awesome. And I have got some out that may not look so awesome, but we're going to play around with them anyway. I done a video on Facebook yesterday and it was quite popular, so I thought, well, let's make a video, let's just flip and do it. So let's play with glitter. So for anyone who's interested, all the glitters that I am sprinkling over my phone in this video are from Nail Sugar, which is a UK based nail art company. Don't panic though, just because it's UK based does not mean that Karen does not ship all over the world, because indeed she does. So whether you live in the US or Europe or wherever else you live, she can deliver. She won't deliver, but she will post it to you. So you can also get 10% using my code NATMUG10, all in caps. Oh my God. And just so that you know, all the names of these glitters, oh my God, look, just wait for it, wait for it, here it comes. Oh my God, I love this video. So all the names of the glitters will be at the bottom of the screen, along with the Nail Sugar website and the discount code. I'm going to leave you just to enjoy the beauties that are the glitters. Does that make sense? I don't know if it does, but yeah, enjoy the video and I'll see you beautiful lot tomorrow.